English is an essential skill for young people in the world today. Help your students achieve their life goals by offering world-class standards of English at your school, and give parents confidence that their children's progress meets international standards.
A lot of research suggests that the earlier you start learning a language, the more effective you will be. So if we can get children to be taking an interest in English, learning English from a young age, we believe that they'll be much more effective users of English in the future.
Our exams are taken by millions of people every year. They choose our exams because they're internationally accepted, and they're developed by part of the University of Cambridge and world experts in English language learning, teaching and assessment.
For me, one of the main strengths of our exams is the sense of progression that they can offer to children, their teachers and their parents. With our tests for young learners moving upwards through to first for schools and eventually to proficiency, it allows everyone to really see and monitor children's progress over an extended period of time.
Students who achieve a Cambridge English certificate have concrete evidence of the language ability that they've achieved, and it must give them a great sense of pride and confidence to know that that is recognised internationally and that they can make use of it in an international context.
There's a huge range of support material available for teachers and students to access, from traditional support materials such as pen and paper sample tests and practice materials, to more digital resources such as online lesson plans and games and apps, which a lot of teachers and students now enjoy using both inside and outside of the classroom.
Contact us to find out how Cambridge English exams can benefit your school.